1. What gas do plants absorb from the atmosphere? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Carbon dioxide. D. Helium. Answer C. Carbon dioxide. 2. What is the hardest natural substance on Earth? A. Gold. B. Iron. C. Diamond. D. Copper. Answer C. Diamond. 3. Which organ is responsible for pumping blood in the human body? A. Lungs. B. Liver. C. Heart. D. Brain. Answer C. Heart. 4. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. William Wordsworth. B. William Shakespeare. C. Charles Dickens. D. Jane Austen. Answer B. William Shakespeare. 5. Who is the author of the Harry Potter series? A. J.K. Rowling. B. Stephen King. C. J.R.R. Tolkien. D. George R.R. Martin. Answer A. J.K. Rowling. 6. What is the national sweet of India? A. Gulab Jamun. B. Jalebi. C. Ras Malai. D. Barfi. Answer B. Jalebi. 7. What is the capital of France? A. Berlin. B. Paris. C. London. D. Rome. Answer B. Paris. 8. Which is the largest continent by area? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. North America. D. South America. Answer B. Asia. 9. Which river is known as the longest in the world? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Yangtze. D. Mississippi. Answer B. Nile. 10. Mount Everest is located in which mountain range? A. Karakoram. B. Himalayas. C. Tian Shan. D. Caucasus. Answer B. Himalayas. 11. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. China. B. Japan. C. South Korea. D. Thailand. Answer B. Japan. 12. What is the smallest country in the world? A. Monaco. B. Vatican City. C. San Marino. D. Nauru. Answer B. Vatican City. 13. Which desert is the largest in the world? A. Sahara Desert. B. Gobi Desert. C. Mojave Desert. D. Atacama Desert. Answer A. Sahara Desert. 14. Which ocean is the deepest? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer B. Pacific Ocean. 15. Which country has the most number of time zones? A. United States. B. Russia. C. France. D. Canada. Answer C. France. 16. Which is the only continent without a desert? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. South America. D. North America. Answer A. Europe. 17. Which is the largest state in India by area? A. Rajasthan. B. Maharashtra. C. Uttar Pradesh. D. Madhya Pradesh. Answer A. Rajasthan. 18. What is the capital of Maharashtra? A. Mumbai. B. Pune. C. Nagpur. D. Aurangabad. Answer A. Mumbai. 19. Which river is known as the Ganga of the South? A. Godavari. B. Krishna. C. Kaveri. D. Tamraparni. Answer A. Godavari. 20. Which mountain range separates India from Nepal? A. Karakoram. B. Himalayas. C. Tian Shan. D. Caucasus. Answer B. Himalayas.